Here are 3 of the most absurd things mechanics ever found inside customer cars. First, a driver brought in a company truck complaining that the rear axle was broken. When the mechanic hoisted the vehicle up, he didn't find normal wear and tear. Someone had intentionally sawed completely through the solid steel axle tube, an act of pure sabotage that left the truck one bump away from a fatal crash. Next, a customer stated that if they turned left and rolled down the passenger window, the door would mysteriously open. The mechanic tested the absurd wiring glitch, and sure enough, hitting the window switch caused the door to instantly unlatch and swing wide open into traffic. But that is nothing compared to a driver whose only complaint was a jammed center console tray on their newly purchased car. The mechanic looked inside the tight gap, moved a blocking piece of paper, and uncovered a massive stack of hidden cash, tightly wedged inside the console. The previous owner had accidentally left a fortune behind, which is exactly why mechanics love seeing